I'm Jessica Bamber. I'm the most interesting woman in the world, and I'm going to replace the cabin air filter in my 2011 Toyota Tacoma. So I just replaced the heater fan blower motor, and it works, but the airflow into the cabin of my truck is still really weak. I've never replaced the air filter, and I've put several, I think I've put like 150,000 miles on my truck. So even if it's not the answer to my problem, it still needs to be replaced. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. It's super simple. I'm on the passenger side of my Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to open up the glove compartment, and I'm going to pull this little arm. Now, if it doesn't pull out easily, squeeze these little nubs together and pull that arm out. Or if all else fails, you could just push it. That's easier for me. You can see my kitty Carmen. She's named after the Carmen Gia. So now to lower the glove compartment, you squeeze the two sides together, or you can do one side at a time. Carmen wants to get in my way. We can open the little box for the cabin filter by pulling up on these tabs. I might need to get a pair of pliers involved. Got a pair of pliers. I will pull up. I'll do the same on this side. Pull up. Comes out. Pull that air filter out. Like I said, I've never changed this. Oh yeah, that'll affect the ability of air to get into my truck. Pull that out. I've got some other junk in there that I'll pull out. So now we're gonna put the new air filter in, and we're gonna put the little airflow arrows down. Push it back into that compartment. This would work a whole lot better if I weren't filming with one hand and pushing with the other. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. Now the new air filter is installed. We're gonna close the door. Now we've got to put the glove compartment back. Since I wasn't able to pull this little deal off the glove compartment, I had to pull it off the dash. I have to start by putting it back on the dash, and it's actually a whole lot easier to take off. When it's down here, you just pull it off, and then you see these little nubs here. Well, the bottom little nub goes right there. So put that back on. It's a whole lot easier when you're not filming. There we go. Now I can lift my glove compartment, and I can put that little piece back on. Now it helps if I come over here and push in the left side and now reattach that. There you go. Replacing the cabin air filter solved the problem. The heater is back to working the way it used to. The blower is blowing just as hard as it used to.